Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. Today I'm here with a new video in which I will explain you about the incoming call problem in your device Poco M4 Pro and M4 Pro 5G. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move toward the video. If you are having any issue regarding the incoming calls in your device Poco M4 Pro and M4 Pro 5G, like you are unable to see the incoming call on the display or any other such problem, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the incoming call problem in your device.